For the first time ever, the amount of USD locked on DeFi surpassed $1 billion US, and I think that's just fantastic and shows the potential of the decentralized finance landscape. So according to the analytics site DeFiPulse.com, $1 billion US is locked in DeFi. The top three are Maker, Compound, and Synthetics. The Maker's vision is a better money, digital currency that can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime. And it's the first unbiased currency that is a stable, decentralized currency that does not discriminate. Any business or individual can realize the advantages of digital money. And I think the great thing is that it uses a crypto collaterals, unlike many other stable coins that are backed by USD. It offers financial freedom with no or very small volatility. It's a price stable currency that you control, and you can generate DAI on your terms instantly. The way it works, you can either borrow some DAI and you pay an interest on that, and another option is you can lend DAI, you can supply DAI and earn around 8% APR at the moment, but this can increase or decrease depending on the liquidity that is available. DAI is available on many different decentralized finance applications. If you're on the MakerDAO website, you can go to products and you can click on the ecosystem, and you can see all the different dApps that are using DAI, and I think it's big, it's massive, and the amount of money that is flowing into the space is an exponential growth. I believe the DeFi space allows many people to enter into the market without having to give their personal information to different companies, and they can easily interact with these dApps with just a smartphone. I made a video with the Trust Wallet, and that's one of the easiest ways that you can actually interact with these dApps. The only thing that you have to have is this Trust Wallet application on your phone, and you're more or less automatically signed into many of the dApps, and you can interact. You can buy DAI, sell DAI, you can do some leverage trading, you can play some games, and the only thing you have to have is just a Trust Wallet on your phone. So the second dApp on the list I just want to cover, which is very big in the DeFi space, and that's compound.finance. And yeah, Compound is an algorithmic autonomous interest rate protocol built for developers to unlock a universe of open financial applications. And what I think is really great with all these applications is they work very well together. And I mentioned in my DeFi video, where I talk more about the whole concept of decentralized finance, I talk about the concept of money Lego, and basically each of these apps is like a building block, and you can put them together to create new financial applications. So that is one of the biggest advantages I see with decentralized finance applications, that they work together, and yeah, the possibilities are endless. Here's one app I used a while ago, Zerion, an intuitive interface to blockchain-based protocols. So you just have to log into the Zerion app, and you've got many different financial services that you can tap into. You can do some lending, you can do some borrowing, you can manage your different tokens, and so on. They got pulled together. It's a no-loss lottery system using the interest earned in Compound. So you do not lose any money, you just put the money into this lottery system, and one lucky winner gets the whole interest accrued over time. But after this time frame passed, every person that bought a ticket gets their money back. I know it's a bit mind-bending, but I think it's a very interesting take on the whole lottery system. Then you've got token sets. I talked about token sets a few times, and yeah, basically it's an automated trading strategy using C tokens and Ethereum assets, and allows you to increase your investment when the market grows, but then also protect your investment when the market falls. And your investment is protected because for example, if you've got an Ethereum USD set, your Ethereum gets sold to USDC and it's being kept in a stable coin. It also works with DAI. The third DeFi app I just want to cover, and that is synthetics. So the idea of synthetics is basically bringing the whole derivatives market. If you're not familiar with the derivatives market in traditional finance, it's a massive market. You cannot imagine how big it is, but it's really, really massive. And basically the synthetics allows people to trade on the increase or decrease of the price of different crypto assets. And what you can do here to earn some interest, you can lock up some Ethereum or BTC or Euro or USDC, and you can earn interest on that so that other people can then trade these synthetic assets in the same way that derivatives are traded. So I'm really pumped and happy that DeFi managed to break the $1 billion barrier, but I don't think that's it. I think this is just the beginning, and the more time passes along, the more DeFi apps will become available to us to use. So I'll be definitely talking a lot more about some DeFi apps in the future, and I'll also be showing you how you can use it, how you can benefit from maybe compound finance, how you can benefit from leverage trading without KYC on DYDX. So super exciting, and yeah, I wish you a fantastic end of the day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.